Hello, my name is Sarah Reif. I'm one of the CGAP data wranglers. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can upload new case and family history through the command line interface. So if we go to our help pages, at the bottom of the submission page, there's the link to SubmitCGAP Documentation. SubmitCGAP is our command line tool for submissions. So we have a page on how to install it, and a page called Getting Started about how to use the commands. But first, you're going to want to make sure that you generate an access key. So the information about how to do that is here, but briefly, you're going to want to, once you're signed into CGAP, go to your user profile, and then you can use this button to add an access key, which I won't do in this video because it needs to be kept private. But then once you've saved an access key, then you're going to be ready to use the command line tool. So first, when you install it, you'll want to make sure that you're in a fresh virtual environment. And we recommend using Python 3.6, although fairly soon we'll probably be upgrading to Python 3.8. You can install it with this command, pip install submit-cgap. And I've already installed it, so I won't do that in this video. But the main command is called submit-metadata-bundle. And if you use the -h argument, then you can get an explanation of all the options. But for an example submission, I'm going to use submit-metadata-bundle, and then I specify the file that I want to upload, and then I need to indicate the server. So for you, the server is probably going to be something along the lines of cgap-something.hms.harvard.edu, but I'm using a local version of CGAP right now, so that I'm not uploading fake data to any of our production servers. And then the -v argument can be used to do a validate only dry run to make sure your spreadsheet is formatted correctly. So we recommend doing that before you do the real submission, but I'm going to skip that for the sake of time. So then there'll be a prompt to make sure you want to upload. And then your spreadsheet will be sent to the server, and the server will take some time to process it. And similar to the submission via the web UI on the CGAP website, this usually takes about 15 to 30 seconds. And then we'll be prompted with whether we want to upload files. So we could say yes to upload them right away, but if we want to come back and do the uploads later, then we can say no. So then if we want to come back later and do the file uploads, then we use the command resume uploads. And for this, we're going to need the UUID that's associated with our submission. So if you did the initial submission via command line, the UUID will be found here. But if you did the initial submission in the web UI, the web interface will also give you a UUID, so you'll use that instead. And I still need to specify the server. Actually, for this, I need to specify where the files are going to be found. So they're in a file just called CGAP. I say yes. And then it will upload the files one by one. So these are very small example FASTQ files. If you're uploading very large FASTQ files in the range of tens of gigabytes, then this part will obviously take a lot longer. In any case, once the submission is done, we'll be able to see the new case on the main CGAP case dashboard. And now we can see all the accessioning information that we submitted with our spreadsheet. And this example was a trio analysis. So we have the proband and the father and the mother. So we also might want to upload an extended pedigree or more of a family history. So to do that, we use the submit-metadata-bundle command again, but we want to specify our pedigree file. And we still need to specify the server. But then this time we're going to use another parameter, which is -- adjustion type family history. So then it'll prompt us to ask us if we're sure. And then it'll send the pedigree file to the server and extract all the metadata from that. If you need information about how to format the spreadsheets, then there's another video on how to do that. So in this case, everything validated correctly. This might take a few seconds, so I might need to reload this a few times. But now we have our upgraded pedigree associated with this case. So now the proband has several phenotypes. The mother and father have a couple phenotypes, and we have a couple grandparents and a sibling. So thanks a lot for listening. And if you need to contact us, you can reach us at cgap-support@hmsdbmy@atlassian.net.